I don't think people understand just how volatile today's market is. Tariffs, AI breakthroughs, and central banks are shaking things up. First up, U.S. trade shock. A federal court has blocked former President Trump from imposing broad tariffs under emergency powers, calling it an overreach. The administration has 10 days to comply, but Trump is appealing. If he fails, he might use Section 232 to bypass traditional tariff procedures. Yikes. Next, China is tightening its pharmaceutical rules. They're revamping pricing and credit evaluations to curb high drug prices with stricter rules and heavier penalties for dishonesty. This could shake up the pharma market big time. Over in South Korea, the Bank of Korea cut its interest rate to 2.5%, the lowest since 2022, due to stagnant growth and global trade tensions. This move weakened the won past 1,380 per dollar, and the 2025 growth outlook was slashed to just 0.8%. Ouch. On the upside, Nvidia is boosting U.S. stocks. They surpassed earnings expectations, thanks to a 73% surge in their AI-powered data center business. But export restrictions to China still limit their revenue potential. In oil news, U.S. crude inventories unexpectedly fell by over 4.2 million barrels last week, supporting oil prices and surprising everyone who expected a build. The Fed remains cautious amidst this chaos. Despite solid economic growth and jobs, sudden tariff changes have them staying careful, waiting for clarity on inflation and policy impacts. Lastly, Thailand is proposing a massive $3.78 trillion baht stimulus budget to revive its economy, aiming for 2.3–3.3% GDP growth. But U.S. tariff risks and local coalition tensions could complicate their plans. Global takeaway uncertainty in trade, AI-powered earnings, and cautious central banks are setting the tone for markets worldwide. Stay tuned and subscribe to The Fellow Investor for daily market insights in under 2 minutes. See you in the next update.